We want to show you how to do the little tricky part of lining the pant. As we've developed this pattern, we have tried various methods, and the following is, in our opinion, the simplest way to create a seamless version of the pants. You have sewn the pants from the lining fabric, leaving the zipper side open. Also, close both the front and back center seam to create a complete pair of pants. You have sewn the two parts of the main pant, but not have sewn these together. Now pull the first outer fabric pant leg over the lined fabric pant leg, right sides together. Pin the hem seams together. Sew the hemline of lining and main fabric together with a straight stitch. A little trick. Press the seam allowances towards the lining pants. Now sew the seam allowance of main fabric and lining fabric onto the lining pants, very close to the edge and original seam. This way, no stitching line is visible and the edge lays particularly well. Now do the same process for the other pant leg. Now sew the front and back center seams of the outer fabric pants together in one go. Press all seam allowances open. Now turn the pants inside out and check if the lining fits the outer fabric pants precisely. Pin the top edges of the pants right sides together, using the opening for the zipper in the lining pants. Do not sew till the very end of your zipper, but leave a good piece of around 1 inch or 3 centimeters open. This way you'll have this situation of an excess length of the main pants. Now sew the vertical seam of zipper and lining together. You'll now fold the part over, right sides of the lining together. Close the existing gap while also sewing over the fold. This way you'll have a beautiful finish to the top of your zipper when turning out this part now. press all seams well. Sew the lining to the zipper by hand invisibly from the inside.